The clouds are moving in here. The wind began to blow some here. They're blowing that snow in. I seen the birds flying south a while ago. They try and get ahead of the storm. So it's coming, it's on its way here. See the wind blowing come through. Clouds getting thicker up there. Well, the man said 1 to 3 inches, but that probably changed before it's all said and done. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. Just buckle down and get your bread, milk, and see the clouds, they keep moving in. It's gonna be bad. I just feel it's gonna be bad. All right. That wind blowing, it's cold out here. I'm on the back porch. All right, that wind's picking up stronger. Bring it on in. Ooh, I'm getting back in the house.